Agents are a unique opportunity for businesses to accelerate on a journey where they've been slowed down by legacy systems, compatibility, and for users to be able to do things in a complex environment, being able to get advice, to accelerate certain tasks, whether in a corporate environment, in a consumer environment.
What we can do through Agentic experiences is automate a lot of manual process within businesses to give time back, to release employees back to tasks that matter and actually bring the business value.
AI agents are not just a new interface layer, they're a massive structural shift in the way business will and are operating right now. They will change businesses at scale, taking complexity and making it non-complex for multiple tasks. They're the true enablers of experience innovation.
Basically giving every single business partner an assistant. Every single business partner gets to get to the what a lot faster so they can start evaluating the why and how they're going to make improvements.